Hello. Today I'm gonna talk for this time. So first of all, you talked to someone on my Twitter asked me to play a game named by a guy 45229. I forgot the name. I don't think, but 45229. We're gonna type it in, and we're gonna look for players. Here we go. This is this guy. Okay. What is this, buddy? What is my mouse doing? Look at this. Look at this. What is wrong with my mouse? Okay, so here we go. So you'll never get rid of us. It's normal like this, but it's 45229 in there. So let's join. Yo, there's a second game. You are able to learn from us. Okay, so it was uploaded on his friends. Just a little too loud. One time in the game I got I got teleported. Zoom out, and this guy has just no face. Pretty creepy, I don't know. Is there a teleporter somewhere? No, just all we can pull down. Wait, there's bruh. Okay. Kinda creepy and kinda scared. Yo! It's 4 right to the right here. I want to wait, what? Okay. No, this means why is it? I'm kind of a little bit scared, but let's jump off here. Yes, here's the map where we start. I don't expect anything. And now here we get another one. Oh my god. Here we got another one that is actually 2 by 4 by 2 to 9, but it actually now is not anymore. That's right, it's 2015. Wait, let me check. Yeah, it's 2015. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is the same game. Say that in one corner there, you told me that there is one in one corner, there's a teleporter. I don't know if it's true. Yeah, I think it is not true. Okay, there's space here. There's nothing else to see here. There is just this guy down. So there, nothing else to see here. Yeah, actually, we got nothing else to see here. So yeah, we got nothing to click right here. Yeah, just fall down on those corners. Maybe fall down. There will be a teleporter. I don't think so. I don't think there's a teleporter, or what it was, but it could not be a teleporter. Nothing could teleport you here. You see? Yeah, nothing teleports you. Nothing teleports you. It doesn't even look like something would teleport you. Yeah, so it's not real. Maybe I have to collect something or see something. Yeah, there's nothing else to see here. Okay. You'll never get. Oh wait, someone's actually playing it. No. Okay. So there are those both autos. So, okay. Bye guys. We're gonna see you in the next video. Bye.